Let me guess, you've watched approximately 24/7 make money online videos, and your bank account still looks like a sad, forgotten grocery list. Earn $10,000 by tomorrow, they say. Just buy my course, they promise. Meanwhile, you're over here wondering if your Wi-Fi is even strong enough to handle another get-rich-quick scheme. Sound familiar? Good. Because today, we're cutting through the nonsense and talking about real ways to make money online without selling your soul or your grandma's china set. Look, I get it. The internet is a noisy, chaotic marketplace of gurus who swear they've cracked the code. And you're just trying to pay your rent or finally afford that avocado toast without guilt. But here's the thing. Making money online isn't about magic formulas or secret hacks. It's about leverage, using what you already have to create value. And spoiler alert, you've got way more to work with than you think. The biggest mistake people make? They treat making money online like a lottery ticket. They jump from one shiny thing to the next, hoping this will be the one. But here's the truth. Consistency beats virality every time. You wouldn't plant a seed and dig it up every day to check for roots, right? Same logic applies here. The real challenge isn't finding the perfect idea, it's sticking with one long enough to see results. Think of it like a three-legged stool: skill, audience, and monetization. You need all three to stay upright. Skill, what you're good at or willing to learn. Audience, who cares about it? Monetization, how you turn that into cash. Most people skip straight to monetization and wonder why they're sitting on the floor. So let's fix that. Remember, every overnight success you see is just someone who didn't quit. So keep going. And hey, if you want more no BS strategies like this, hit subscribe. Because the next video, we're talking about how to actually enjoy the process. Yes, it's possible. Now go hit post. I'll be waiting.